This 6-second method balances type 2 diabetes for good. It's so easy you can do it in your own home. Most people continue to take blood sugar medications because they've been brainwashed by the medical establishment to believe diabetes is a hereditary condition, even though new studies are showing this to be completely false. So, before you resign yourself to being hooked on medication for life, you've got to see this now. Because this latest discovery could change your life. Top doctor from US has discovered the real root cause of high blood sugar, and it has nothing to do with eating carbs or sugar or even genetics, but instead with beta cells inside the pancreas. This well-known doctor was forced out of his practice after he unveiled a billion-dollar secret he wasn't supposed to know. A clinically proven 6-second trick you can use starting today to restore healthy blood sugar levels, regardless of your age or medical condition, and it works like crazy. More than 37,839 people are already doing it, and they have been able to treat their type 2 diabetes successfully, while also losing pound after pound of diabetic fat. So stop everything you're doing right now and click the Learn More button below to watch the short free eye-opening video that clearly shows how thousands of people are using this secret method to restore healthy blood sugar levels quickly. This method is working so well that greedy CEOs in the healthcare industry are scrambling to keep this diabetes balancing secret hidden to protect their obscene profits. So I urge you to click the Learn More button to watch the short free eye-opening video and start using this method to potentially eliminate type 2 diabetes and feel great about yourself again. I am not sure how long this video will be available as pressure mounts from Big Pharma to get this taken down. Click the Learn More button to get started. Watch it now before it's too late.